Do you have that squirrel system where you're all over the place and you say, I got to learn this new technique. I got to learn this new piece of equipment in order to be a great photographer? If you have the squirrel syndrome, it's time to pay attention to this video. Okay, so there's several main things that you really need to think about. First, you need to know your roadmap. Basically, where are you in your photography journey? You need to think and really write down learning stage. Are you in a portfolio stage? Are you in a business stage? You know, those kind of stages in your life. Where do you want to be? And in order to do that, you really do need to think of the large goal, but then you have to break up that goal. And in order to set up the goal, you need to really think about your time. Do you have to take classes? Do you have to learn a piece? Then the last part is actually completing the goal. And in order to complete the goal, we need to work with you, or you need to work with yourself to get inside and say, when can I do these pieces to complete that goal? So again, there's a variety of steps because we are all squirrels and wonder, what are we going to do with our photography? What do I really want? And a lot of times what happens when you're a squirrel, it means that you're not confident in pushing yourself, or you just don't know where to go next. So with that said, I do have a masterclass that is free. And I'm going to share with you how to get rid of that squirrel syndrome to really learn and set your photography goals, and then for you to accomplish them. And so this masterclass will be an hour. And yes, at the very end, I will be sharing how you can work with me and some of the other members in our membership program. That's where we really focus on the roadmap and get those squirrels out of your system to move you forward into your photography journey. Look down below, I'll give you all the details. I hope to see you there because you'll get a free PDF, and I always give a little extra bonus for those people that actually do stay through the whole time and work with me in the masterclass. And I hope to see you soon. Bye.